Alright, so I'm here with the W124 300 TD turbo. What's the story on this thing? Got on Copart, $1,800, Pennsylvania. Drove it back, all the way back to Chicago. Didn't skip a beat. It did die once on the highway.
I mean...
but that's because it went below half a tank and apparently it doesn't like that, so. Currently, working on an oil change. Previous whoever had the oil fill plug pretty tight, so I figure I'm gonna copy him. 100 foot-pounds Fosco, was it?
120.
120, got it. All right.
What's the limit of the total French?
I think 150 actually. Did I just do that? All right. And yeah, so we got oil, Chevron Della. Doing an air filter. We'll see if I get to the diff oil. See how much energy I have. I also want to detail it. Gonna run diesel purge through the filters and throw the rest in the tank. Got new fuel filters. New power steering fluid. I did forget to get this for the suspendy bits in the back, but it's looking good for so far, so I'll leave it alone for now. And yeah, once I get this done, we'll do a little more of a walk around, show some of the detailing steps I'm going to take. Body's pretty straight. I mean, it's got rust, but everything looks pretty straight underneath, so. Just spotted that. That's fun. Cool. All right, well, otherwise, interior pretty clean. Typical age and wear and whatnot. Really, the driver's seat is the only one with any kind of wear. But my neighbor can fix this. Maybe reupholster it, maybe patch it. We'll see. 4-speed auto. 165,000 miles. Put on like however many miles between here and Philadelphia. She's a runner. How's a smart car?
I did that.
Cool. All right.
You know.
Smart car is currently straight piped because the flex pipe is fucked. Can we give it a rev?
Yeah.
Show the audience before we somewhat fix it. Nice.
That's all it'll do.
Yep, that's fair.
Thanks.
It sounds good when you're bouncing it off the limiter.
Yeah.
When you're actually driving. We did some forest rally when we went camping a few weeks ago. It was a good time. Post a comment if you want to see those clips. And yeah, onward we go. Sit rep. It's quieter.
Yeah.
Good job.
Here.
We'll see what happens. Anyway, vacuuming out the Merc now. The set looks pretty good. Engine bay has been sort of detailed. Didn't go too crazy though because the pressure washer sucks. This side on the other hand. Womp womp womp. That'll need fixed at some point. Also, can someone tell me what this is all for? It was just, I don't know if I should cut it out or if it's for something useful. Anyway, whatever.